One of the things that I'd like to accomplish this year, sana, is to be more serious when it comes to my vlogging and perhaps even set up a podcast channel, about topics that I'm interested in and perhaps people like me would be interested too. Like, not just only about travels, but about self-help, productivity, how to be a VA or virtual assistant, since I am one for like 2 decades now. And I would just like to get out of my comfort zone, go out of my shell, be more, be able to help more. One thing that stops is that I need to have a place of where to do that. I thought it would be our cloffice, pero sa nakita niyo sa mga previous videos ko, sobrang cramped na yung cloffice namin. So I asked Hans, could I borrow every now and then when I'm filming one of the rooms that is for rent here at Oslob New Village. So we own this small lodging place in Oslob. It's called Oslob New Village. It originally had 17 rooms for rent, but one room is now our